today I'll be styling this shirt I got from Rinsta. Like, I really love this shirt. I've been meaning to wear it for a very long time. This shirt is multicolor. Like, I just love it. I don't know how else to describe it. So I decided to use it to style 5 different ways to style a shirt. I've styled this in a particular way here. So I want to show you guys the outfit of the day, how I actually styled this bando and this shirt together to make it look, chic. So I'm going to start with it. So when you button in the middle, I pair it with a mini skirt. Then if I unbutton this middle part, you see I'm styling with a bando top. This bando top is a swimwear from Zafo. So I also will display my discount code on the screen. So if you want to shop from Zafo, you can also shop from Zafo. So guys, if you like this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I know I don't say this enough. I'm trying to get to 1,000 this month. I don't know if you guys can share it with your friends and make them subscribe to my channel so I can get to 1,000 as quickly as possible. So let's get into it. Enjoy this kind of vlogs, and if you like this kind of vlog, please give this video a thumbs up. This last look is actually my favorite way of styling my shirts. It's really chic and beautiful. You can wear this on a brunch date, you can wear this to the beach, you can wear this to hang out. So guys, I hope you guys like this kind of video. Please don't forget, we are still trying to get to 1,000 subscribers this month. Please share my video, like my videos. Till another time, bye.